Alright, YouTube, welcome back. This is other lighters I've wanted to show you. This Ronson Windy, I think it's called. That color lover showed in one of his videos. He got one. I got one too now. Paid $5 for it. Just has Ronson Windy, then China on the bottom. Next one, I believe is this one. Yep, K 2001. It's used pretty well. See there, pretty used. I paid $5 for it also. I was carrying, and I'm not carrying anymore, this lighter right here, the 1935 replica. Yeah, Zippo action. So that's all. That's new. If you want me to show a certain lighter or knife or whatever, just request it. This is my collection so far. Notice I got the big 12-ounce can. There's a few back there. There's a couple over here. I got something special coming. Should come either in the mail tomorrow or either tomorrow. I can't remember, either tomorrow or Tuesday. So anyway, it's my Zippo collection so far. Just gotta go through these real quick. You can't see the one up there. It's just a regular polish or satin, or not satin, but brush chrome. Back to where we started. So that's all. I got MPL. I got something else coming too. There's advertising. There's one. The other two fell. I gotta pick them up yet. So that's my whole Zippo collection. Oh, plus I got this for $3.55. I got some flints for 45 cents. And I got some wicks for 45 cents each. So I bought 24 wicks, 24 flints, and this. So that's Zippo collection. I hope to have more coming in the future. More Zippo videos. And another EDC coming up next.